Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Kia Sportage throttle body. First, gather your essential tools like a screwdriver, a socket set, and a can of dedicated throttle body cleaner. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Then, locate the throttle body, which is usually positioned between the air intake and the engine's intake manifold. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe cleaning process. Now, let's move on to removing the throttle body. Begin by carefully detaching the air intake hose and any electrical connectors. There might be 2 or 3 connectors, so be gentle. Next, use your socket wrench to unbolt the throttle body from the intake manifold. There are typically 4 bolts holding it in place. Once unbolted, carefully pull the throttle body away, noting any gaskets that might be present. With the throttle body removed, it's time for the cleaning. Liberally spray the specialized cleaner onto all carbon deposits and grime you see inside. Pay close attention to the throttle plate and its edges. Use a soft brush or a lint-free cloth to gently scrub away all the stubborn residue. Make sure the throttle plate can move freely and is completely clean, allowing for optimal airflow. Now, let's put everything back together. If your old gasket was damaged, install a brand new one to ensure a proper seal. Carefully reattach the throttle body to the intake manifold, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. Reconnect all the hoses and electrical connectors you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and check for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.